help you. If you're able to identify other people's errors, it's going to help you find your own. Alright, so my first problem is 63 times 27. So what should I do first before I even look at this? What should I do first? What do I need to make? But what do I wait before I even really start to multiply a problem? What strategy can help me get close to an answer?
Estimate?
An estimate. Someone make an estimate. Make an estimate. Can I round this to say 60?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 60 times
30.
30. And I know 6 times 3 is 18. My zeros. So I know my answer is going to be somewhere around 1,800. Is this answer close to 1,800?
No.
No. So I can just look at this and say, oh, I know there's something wrong. Because it's not even close to my estimate. Alright, so go ahead and study this. Let's think about, is it a multiplication error? Or is it something in place value?
That looks like this one.
Yeah, this one right here. Hey, go ahead and tell your partner next to you.
She said that you have to put a zero, so I think it's they didn't add a zero.
I didn't add a zero then. But otherwise, apart from just not adding the zero, then got the rest of it right. And right, if she adds, if we move one number over on the second row, each number over and we add a zero right with the 6.
What do you mean by add a zero?
Well, you put the zero at the end. Put the zero at the one place.
Come show me. Come show me.
Because now
So you're saying the 2 is in the tens place? So is this really a 2 or is it really a what?
20.
20. So I'm actually multiplying 20 by the 3 and 20 by the 6. So you're saying that would change this row?
Yeah.
Alright, but that first row is correct?
Yes.
Alright, let's check. What's 7 times 3? 21. The 1. And what's 7 times 6?
42.
Plus my 2?
44.
Alright, so that row is correct. And this row, if I'm actually multiplying
20.
20 times 3, this person just put a 6.
60.
So I'm going to just rewrite it over here. 441 plus, I'll put my 0 to hold that 1's place. Put my 6 in my, what place value is this? Tens. So this was a place value error. And then what is 2 times 6?
12. 12
And I'm ready to add these together.
That's really close. That's better. That's 9.
What do you say it's close to?
It's 1,000. Wait.
I just heard you say, Kehlani, you said it's close.
Yeah, 100. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. It's close. It's 99.
It's close to 1,000.
It's close to 180. So we get that 1,000. 1,800.
So it's close to my estimate?
Yeah.
Okay, it's close to my estimate. So do we think we have the right answer here?
Yes.
And look at that. I used a different strategy. It's the same problem, 63 times 27. What's wrong about it? Do we know?
Wait.
How I do it is I do 60 times 20, which is 1,200, and then do 20 times 3, which is 60, and then do 60 times 7, which is 420. Yeah. And 7 times 3, which is 21.
Right, so do they make any multiplication errors?
No.
Let's look at that. If all the multiplication's right, what could they have done wrong?
The adding.
Well, what's wrong with this adding? What's wrong with this adding, Kailani?
Instead of putting them in like the right column, they scooch them to the side.
The scooch to the sides. What do you mean by that?
I mean that like the 400, the 4 and the 420 should be near the 2. It shouldn't be in the thousands place.
So it should be in the what place value?
Yeah,
Minus place.
it's
So if I rewrite this, are you saying that?
Yeah.
And then where should the 60 go?
Under the 2. Yeah. The
20.
Why?
Because it's that's the right place. It's not.
Yeah. What place value? What place value is this?
10.
Tens. And then where did the 21 go?
Under 60.
Can I add now?
Yeah.
That's 2 plus 6 plus 2.
That's 10.
8, 9, 10.
And then 2.
6.
No, 7. Add the 1.
And now we have the right answer.
Did I get the same answer?
Yeah.
2 different strategies. And now I have the right answer. But we need to make sure we're explaining why this person made an error. So how, when we're going back to this one, how would we explain that this person, how would we explain what error they made? What do you think, Melania?
So when they were timesing 6 and
What's another word for times?
Multiplying
6 and what was it?
20.
Yeah, 6 and 20. They only did 6 and 2, not. They only did 6, not 60, because it's 20, not 2.
Multiplied 6 times 2 instead of what?
Instead of 20.
6 times 20. This threw off their place value?
Yeah.
Or can I say messed up their place value? Their place value. And how would you explain the errors over here? How would you explain this error? What do you think? I haven't heard much from Serena and Emma yet. How would you explain this error?
They didn't line it up correctly.
They did not line up their numbers correctly. What does that mean, though?
Like
They didn't use what?
they didn't put them in the right column.
Yeah. They didn't put them in the right column, so it affects what the number was.
Can I say in their correct place value?
Yeah.
So place value must be pretty important if it was the error that was made in this problem, as well as this one. Place value must be pretty important. So just if you're out shopping and something costs, let's say $12.35, and you go to hand $1.35, do you have enough? No. Then the cashier might even laugh at you. Okay. All right. Do we have questions on this?
No.
It's kind of things funny or fun? Fun? Good. Finding someone else's errors can be fun? Yeah. And these are all taken from different exit slips of errors I've seen. So these are like real errors from our class. All right, so are we ready to jump in and work on our sheets here? Yeah. So with our sheets here, I want you to work with your partner to find the error. And what do you want to do first when you're multiplying? Find a what?
Estimate?
Estimate first, so that way you can check to see if your answer is close. So looking at the first one, okay, you want to look at that first one with your partner?
I think we should do 70 and 30 as our estimate. Do 70 times 30.
You're going to analyze each problem, the error,
Wait.
and explain what the error is, and then correct the problem.
Because
I'm still having trouble with the timesing.
Okay.
multiplying.
So
You wanna just
Kehlani
do it like-
said, I heard her say you wanted to use 70 and 30. Okay. And why did you choose 70 and 30?
Because 72 is close to 70 is usually due to the nearest 10.
70.
And then 30 is closer to 30. And then 4 is closer to 30. That's 2,100.
Okay. Right, so 2,100.
My
So,
solution should
so
be
you show her, will you show Melania how you got 2,100?
a lot of times with the zeros, it's like first you add like C70, 7 times 3 equals 21, so just add pop the zeros at the end.
Okay, use your eraser.
Alright, I'm gonna go see what they had a question about over here.
Okay,
Zero
so,
times
well, you know it's not even close to
7
it,
times
so
3
let's see
would
what
be
they
21.
So they did, yep, they did 8.
A sheet
let's-
is over
let's
in,
check mark.
Eagle,
No, for no,
Math
for
Intervention.
the whole thing, let's see. And
No,
see that 7 times
Sean
4,
Murray. And where are they?
that's 28, so they did that right. But then they did the,
Okay.
and then it would, wait, isn't it, Miss Russell, we already
So
did that,
this
so I
is
know
the
this
answer.
row's correct.
So we
Listen,
have
Melania, I agree with you. It's your rose
that's our
cut.
estimate.
Yeah,
So
the first one
that's what we have to. No, that's the rate.
So then if it goes up to this, so we're done with this, so we already multiplied that.
So
So do we multiply this with this?
The
now we
3
have to
times the 2.
2 times. Wait, no. We have to see what they did wrong.
But it's,
Yeah, but that's 30, so. No,
So
that's
2 times
actually
4
30,
is.
so what did they do here?
4 times 7.
They did the same year.
Is that one? So what did we say that was?
It was that they
Miss
That's
Rao,
value?
are these supposed
that
to
they
be
didn't
y
multiply
like
like
the 1 times the bar?
they didn't multiply the thing times they didn't multiply 7 times 30. They multiplied 7 times
And then we do 3
Oh,
times
actually,
2.
they
So could you write that down as part of your explanation?
They didn't put it in. So now we do 72 times 34.
How are you two doing?
Make me redo it.
So you estimated 70
Wait,
times
we
30.
have to do it right.
What is 70 times 30's estimate?
288, so they got that part right.
And does that answer anywhere close to 2,100? No. Alright, so now you need to figure out where did they make an error at?
they multiplied.
Is it a multiplication error?
To the 0.
Where's that?
3 times 7 is 21.
So we add. Oh.
So check your first row here. 4 times 2 is what? And then what's 4 times 7? Right? And is that
So I got
288?
2,400.
And then what about the next row?
That's me.
Okay, so so let's see, 700.
I got 2,300.
Okay, so they're multiplying 3 times the 2 and 3 times the 7. But is that really a 3? What is that actually?
0, so that's
30.
200.
So did they multiply 30
Oh,
times
yes.
2? What did they actually multiply?
30.
They were supposed to be 30 times 2. What did they actually do?
Okay.
So what's
So
missing?
what they did wrong was at the
Wait, can you just throw the 0 on, or is that going to mess up the
we
place
had to.
value?
That's the next one. We had to write
Rewrite it.
what they got wrong. Yeah. What I think they got wrong was
Okay,
they didn't
forgot to
put the
so I
0
got this answer, so I think that's
Okay.
the answer.
and then they didn't go over just 1.
So then you would have a 0 in this one's place. Is that your new answer?
I think, yeah.
Right, you just need to write out your explanation. Like exactly what you just said was perfect.
I think there's another way to do it. So, you know when you do this, if you know the answer's correct, you know how they did this? Maybe you should multiply the 2 times the 4 and like, you can do something like to add it and then like, I don't know anything, but I know it's something that would call
Because you're looking to see what's in the ones place. Because I know what you're saying. You're saying that like you know the answer is going to have a certain number in the ones place based on multiplying. But if you look at that, what's 2 times 4? 8. And then what would be in the ones place underneath it? 0. And then what's 8 plus 0? 0. So you're saying your answer will end up in the with the 8 in the ones place? And that's another way to check yourself. You're right. What did you guys get?
We go to the next
We got
one.
2,400.
Okay, Melania.
So they got 2,448. You got 2,448. And what did you guys get?
I got 2,394.
Uh-oh, we can't go on.
I could help.
We can't go on. These two got the same answers, but you guys didn't get the same answers. So Alicia, Sophia, can you go see? I'll go to that side and see what they did.
You could use your paper.